When you're trying to scale up a picture, say you want to resize it to 1920 by 1080, there are a few methods you might consider. First, you might think of selecting the image, pressing Ctrl+T, and just enlarging it by dragging the corners. The image gets weirdly stretched. Now, another option is to go to Edit, choose Content Aware Scale, and try scaling it up that way. But watch what happens. See how the boy's face gets all distorted? That's definitely not what we're looking for. Let me show you the right way to do this. First, grab the lasso tool and make a loose selection around the main subject of your image, like this. Next, go to the Channels panel. If you don't see it, just go to Window and select Channels from the drop-down. Once you're in the Channels panel, click on Save Selection as Channel. This will create a new channel called Alpha 1. Now, press Ctrl+D to deselect everything. Go back to Edit, choose Content Aware Scale again, but this time, under the Protect option, select Alpha 1. Now, when you scale up your image, hold down the Shift key and watch the magic happen. The image scales up perfectly without any weird distortions. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Ace Design for more awesome content like this.